got to discern that by being tuned in to God and by having a prayer life that tethers us to God, to heaven. And so we're sensitive of the seasons of our lives. So we know here on earth there's 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, fall. And each one of those seasons are necessary. Some seasons bring the destructions and storms. And after destructions and storms, those type of things, fires, it all happens, it looks bad. But also what happens is there's a cleanup and there's a restoration. There's a restoring. There's a new building process beginning. However, in this time of rebuilding, there's some wisdom